If you download a lot of files on Telegram, changing the download location can make everything much easier to manage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Telegram download location step by step so you can keep your files organized the way you want. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the hamburger menu icon. That's the three-line menu that opens your main options. From there, click on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the Advanced option and click it. This is where Telegram keeps a lot of its deeper file and storage settings. Now look for Download Path and click on it. This is the section where you can choose where Telegram saves your downloaded files. If you want Telegram to use your system's default downloads folder, choose the Telegram folder in your System Downloads tab. This is the easiest option if you want everything to stay in one standard location. If you prefer files to be temporary, you can choose the Temp folder option. This is useful if you want downloads to be cleared automatically when you log out or uninstall Telegram. It's a good option if you don't want files stored permanently on your device. If you want full control over where everything is saved, choose the Custom Folder option. This will let you select a specific folder on your computer using the file browser. Once you pick your custom location, Telegram will download files directly to that path instead of the default one. After selecting your preferred option, make sure the change is saved and you're all set. From now on, your Telegram downloads will go exactly where you want them to. So whether you want the default downloads folder, a temporary folder, or a custom location, Telegram gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.